Wait, what? Am I giving up? Yes. I am just burnt out and I have run out of ideas कि और अब क्या बात करूँ और क्या बात करूँ और क्या बात करूँ. It's like getting on a call with your best friend every single day and then you don't have anything to talk about. Then you have to keep reading and digging more and I just am out of ideas now. So, this is my last episode for the month of July. We will be back on schedule next Sunday at 11:11 a.m. There are a few months where I do episodes like every single day and try to name them as March Marathon, yeah, May Mayhem. Like, I legit couldn't come up with anything that rhymes with the word July. I had to ask ChatGPT कुछ तो शब्द दे दो that matches or rhymes with July, and then July Jams was born. Jam initially sounded like a mixed fruit jam. But then I was like, no, this jam is more like jamming guitar sessions together. Like we are collectively gathered here to listen and to chill and to jam together on catching up with life, basically. Anyways, I'm going to say this one last time for this month. हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति. आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज जुलाई जैम्स. आई एम होपिंग टू अपलोड न्यू एपिसोड every single day at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which, let me inform you, I happily did and I'm very proud of it. I'm currently living in Mumbai. I'm 31. I do not have a job. I'm living on gratitude and gossip. Humble हूँ but चुटकी भर घमंड के साथ. हाँ जी. Honestly, doing episode every single day has been a very exceptionally tough journey for me. I mean, coming up with something every day is there was a moment, touch and go moment, where I was like, I can't do this. I did not sleep well. I don't have the energy. I've just come back home in the evening after a walk and I just don't have the energy to do anything. Like I just wanted to sleep. And at one point I sat down to edit and I almost fell asleep. I was like, am I even listening? What is the point of editing? Anyways, so yeah, बोलने का मतलब ये, it is tough but I want to keep doing. I think I keep getting better the more I do it, and so that is why I do it. That is why I take up the challenge. Alright, July marked a huge wrap up for the Ambani wedding. This is an assumption. I don't know if there are, more festivities that are bound to happen or have already had happened. But the gossip has come out of Reddit is next level tea. Like next level tea. There is no way having such big wedding doesn't come with a lot of collation and controversies. A lot of people who were invited were given a +1 on their tickets or whatever, on their tickets, on their invites, and they sold it to creators like they were sellable. So if you see a creator attending the event, it is because they bought it. It just feels like Cannes all over again, where they bought the ticket. And the ROI was pretty hot. Like the ROI, return over investment, भले उन लोगों ने 20-25-30 हज़ार के उन्होंने +1 की इनवाइट किसी के साथ गए होंगे वो पैसा दे के, बट देन उनको ROI बहुत ज़्यादा मिला. एंड सो यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ अबाउट डेकोर, अबाउट who's wearing what and फलाना. ऑल बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव करना है, इंडस्ट्री में रेलिवेंट रहना है, रिलेटेबल रहना है. ओके, इफ आई हैड द मनी आई माइट डू इट टू. इफ आई हैड द कनेक्शंस आई माइट हैव रीच्ड आउट टू Ori and I would have told him, hey, let me also come in as +1 or whoever, I would have done it. I mean, that would have been so much fun. And I've been to NMACC. I've seen the building and the magnificent glory of it all, and कितना बड़ा hall and कितने सारे floors, and I've just been through it all. And so I think it would have been a blast to see how much they've transformed the entire thing. Anyways, a few loose claims heard on Reddit. We don't know कितना सच है कितना झूठ है, कुछ भी नहीं पता है अपने को, but these are few rumors, gossip, whatever I heard. Relish them, enjoy them and move the fuck on with your life. Hardik Pandya and Ananya Pandey, they hooked up. Hardik got divorced. ये तो fact है, ये तो हम सबको पता चल गया ये महीने. He got officially, he divorced his wife Natasha, and Hardik also is no longer the captain of Mumbai Indians. Okay. The only Indian face card Kim Kardashian posted in her picture, in her carousel of pictures, was with Aishwarya Rai. Like Aishwarya Rai has such a global face and a global dominance. We appreciate, a self-made queen. Aishwarya Rai has officially entered the event alone with her daughter, which makes people question, have they divorce, like, and there were a lot of people who were claiming ki nahi, Mr. Big B would first, if he ends up expiring or if he passes away, that is only when that they are allowed to separate. But then log aisa bhi bol rahe ki they're already living separately for quite some time now, and ठीक है, गॉसिप है, कलेश है, घर है बड़े, तो ठीक है, समझता है, फाइन, whatever. There was also another entry to the event which was free of paparazzi, like people who did not want the paps to take pictures. ऐसे भी लोग थे, so there was such thing, and we don't know who went through that. And then I heard Aryan Khan, son of Mr. SRK, is dating a royalty, and that royalty was present and we couldn't see who she was, and she's half Indian, whatever. One of the Bachchans couldn't take his eyes off Kim's bazungas, boobies. They were just few allegations / rumors with no solid proof, flying all around on Reddit. There is more tea, lot more tea on Deepika, Ranveer, Alia, Ranveer, etc. etc. Ranveer se mujhe yaad aaya, oh my god, okay, Nikhil Kamath, the Zerodh ka CEO, he's a billionaire, whatever. He launched a podcast, and his first guest on his show was Bill Gates. I was like, yes, King, I want to listen to what you have to say. And then he goes from that to the second guest being Ranbir Kapoor. He comes crashing down. I'm like, what the fuck? Why? Like, no, I don't want to see another celebrity coming in and talking about his life or his work. I'm not interested in it at all. Like, give me people like Bill Gates, give me people like Oprah. If you have so much money, if you have such reach and network and power, like, get more people who have done और कुछ उखाड़ा है. Don't want to see more celebrity face. मैं क्या करूँ celebrity, like, I just don't want to see celebrities. वो तो कॉफ़ी वेर करा नहीं देख लूँ मैं, वो ज़्यादा एंटरटेनिंग हो जाएगा. मैं इसका देखूँ सुनूँ ही क्यों पॉडकास्ट, आई कि just shit man. Anyways, I was just so angry. I just wanted to talk to somebody who actually care. Anyways, at the end of the day, what I want you to take away from gossip and all that is everyone is very calculative with this wedding. They know what they are getting themselves into, and in order to stay in the industry and survive, to stay relevant, they gotta do what they gotta do. And so if it means getting married or marriage of convenience hota hai, or whatever it is they want to get into, open marriage or whatever, they do it. So never believe what you see, because jasa dista tasa nasta, that is the entire summing up the entire Bollywood industry. Jasa dista tasa nasta, period. Anyways, moving along. This month I finally got access to Netflix. For some reason, I don't know, Netflix कभी कभी मेहरबान हो जाता है हमारे पे, and कुछ 2-3 दिन के लिए चालू था Netflix, I believe. And yes, I ended up watching Hira Mandi. That was my priority. Like, I asked a couple of people on Instagram कि मैंने देखना चाहिए नहीं देखना चाहिए, because it's like investing 9 to 10 hours of your life watching it. Imagine I did that. I did that. Yes, I watched it and I liked it. I wish it wasn't too long. अगर वो लोग 30 to 45 मिनट में रैप अप कर सकते तो why do you need 60 to 65 minute episodes? Like, I just don't get it. You don't have to make a point, you don't have to make it this long. इतना लंबा होने का ज़रूरत नहीं था शो का. Like, it was just stupid. Just, yeah. I didn't get a chance to watch Shrikant. Emily in Paris season 4 आ रहा है. I am excited about Emily in Paris season 4. What I am angry about is they're splitting the goddamn season into 2 parts. August में है and दूसरा September में है, and I'm just angry. 15th August 15 अगस्त को आ रहा है, and दूसरा part 2 is 12th September, I believe. I don't get it. Why do you fucking have to keep splitting seasons? इतना भी कोई अच्छा सीजन नहीं है कि भाई मैं तड़प के मर जाऊंगी. सीजन पार्ट 2 में क्या हो रहा है सीजन 4 के, like जैसे उन्होंने ब्रिजिटन में किया. I just don't get it. Why the fuck are you splitting? So that you get more ROI over your investment, और मार्केटिंग करेंगे और पैसा मिलेगा. पैसे बनाने की टैक्टिक है सिर्फ ये पार्ट स्प्लिट करना है इन लोग को. स्टूपिड. एक तो साल 2 साल बाद सीजन निकालते हैं 2 साल बाद, एंड देन उसमें भी उनको स्प्लिट करना है. इमेजिन. Anyways, a movie I'm excited to check out is Beetlejuice, I guess 2 बार है Beetlejuice. Movie has monsters and ghosts, and it doesn't seem like serious horror, like comedy horror, like halka fulka horror, I can tolerate that. Yeah. Also, have you all seen this show by Amazon called, it is called Fallout? They were nominated for 16 Emmys, including Outstanding Drama Series. Shogun was another Disney plus Hotstar pe currently have web series. I've not seen it. They've got 25 nomination. Is it apparent? It is apparently like a top performing, Shogun is top performing series overall according to Vanity Fair, that I have not watched. There is The Bear, of course. The Bear show has got 23 nominations. Palm Royale is another comedy drama with 11 nominations. I'm completely off the radar this year with the shows because I've not watched a single TV show that has been nominated for Emmys, and I'm like, okay, shit, मेरा टेस्ट ख़राब हो रहा है शोज़ में कि क्या क्या हो रहा है because I just don't get it. I don't get it. In fact, just in July, New York Times also जुलाई में ही हुआ ये सब कि New York Times released its top 100 books of the century, and I have read only one book out of it. I am embarrassed, you guys. I'm just embarrassed. Also, can you like send me books? I'm gonna leave my Amazon wish link in the description everywhere, wherever you can find me. आई ऑल्सो हर्ड इन जुलाई में एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ हुआ है. ये सब इतने सारे तो शोज़ निकल रहे हैं, और फिर जब एमी नॉमिनेशन हुआ ना तो आई वॉज जस्ट, पहले तो आई स्टार्टेड मिसिंग द वाइट लोटस. वाइट लोटस, if you're not seen, just watch it. It's a brilliant show. Like, I'm obsessed with that show, The White Lotus. I wish they did not kill Jennifer Coolidge, but they did apparently, and that's that. She was the heart of it. Like I love Jennifer Coolidge so much. So that was not there this year. And then also Succession also has ended, and that is why the Emmy nomination were taken away by these 2-3, that is The Bear, Shogun, and like all the other series that are coming up, and they basically grabbed it. Then I wondered, हम कहाँ पीछे रह जा रहे हैं? Like, do we not have it? Like, Emmy is restricted to only America. Are there no any shows? वो बाहर के shows हो नहीं रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है? Like, why are we not now getting nominated for any of the awards, despite being the largest industry to be producing movies in Tollywood, Bollywood, और कितने सारे industries है basically is what I'm trying to say. With so many movies and so many web series and so many different lives, still we are not getting a single nomination, which sucks. It just sucks. Okay. जुलाई में I also heard Microsoft का जो थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन है crashed. half of the world was having an incredibly beautiful, nice weekend that week, and it was just another reason that got the entire internet together. The memes were so unreal, hilarious. People had a lot of time, and the memes were coming from people whose Microsoft system had crashed, as well as coming from people whose Microsoft system did not crash, which made me laugh even further. Like, I was like, let me open my computer, let me see क्या हो रहा है. And I'm like, नहीं, मेरा चल रहा है. मेरा ठीक है. I had to give couple of people a call, and I'm like, क्या हो रहा है, सबके चल रहा है. God, oh my God. Okay, in another news, America is fucked. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ पे ज़्यादा फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है यहाँ एज़ कम्पेयर टू इंडिया, एंड हम वहाँ की बात कर सकते हैं विदाउट गेटिंग इन टू मच ट्रबल बिकॉज President Biden withdraws from the next term race, and this is not even a suspicion, this is like a fact, and सब कुछ full and final हो गया, and he withdrew from the next term. Kamala Harris will be running for the president against Mr. Trump. The world is watching, of course. I'm just here, I'm just here for the journey. I'm here for the memes that are gonna come out of all of this chaos. I mean, already there was a assassination attempt हुआ था उसके ऊपर, and the memer community has again united. They were like, बहुत आगे वाले बच्चों को बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा. History textbooks will be filled with all this information, and people are honestly tired. Like, they're just tired. Imagine going to the golf game the next day like nothing has happened at all the prior day. Imagine, I want to say, I mean, I see, look, I want to say more. But again, I have to remind myself, not my monkey, not my circus. I'm just here along for the ride, taking a look. I'm like, you're fucked. You're fucked. At this point, who is not fucked? India का budget आया है, the taxes, brother, the taxes, every single thing is being charged. So either me and my योगा ट्रेनर प्रियंका, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कि अब मीडियोकर होने का टाइम नहीं है. यू गॉट अ प्ले बिग और यू गॉट अ रियली प्ले स्मॉल, बिकॉज जो बीच वाले उनकी लगी हुई है, एंड वो बीच वाले ही मेजॉरिटी है इंडिया में. सब जगह से टैक्स लग रहे हैं, टैक्स टैक्स टैक्स, खाने के टैक्स, रोड पे चलाने के टैक्स, रोड पे खड़े रह के खाने के टैक्स, फिर टोल नाके वाला टैक्स, फिर सैलरी से कटा हुआ वो टैक्स, सैलरी जो मिली उसमें और टैक्स लग रहे हैं, बाकी इधर उधर खाने के जाए तो जाए कहाँ मिडिल क्लास. सो इट्स लाइक अगर आप झोपड़ी में रह रहे हो तो आप बच रहे हो टैक्स से, और आप अगर सुप्रीमली सुपर रिच 1% में आते हो तो बच रहे हो कुछ ना कुछ करके. इट इज़ द मिडिल क्लास जिनकी लगी पड़ी है. माय गॉड. Again, the memes were out for real, and yeah, everybody's crying pretty much. India also has this month also started the Olympics 2024 officially. Hello, hi, France, coucou, comment ça va, buongiorno. France is hosting this year, and I'm actually excited to see what is up. Geo Cinema has taken up the rights to cover the event, of course, and then I came to know how little of us are participating in the event, considering हमारा 1.4 billion public population है. I wish there was less politics, more women running and leading the sports industry, and more participants from India representing the world on a global scale. Whatever, Paralympic, Olympic, sabhi isme I want to see Indian faces. And then my brother goes and says, yeah, Aditi, give it a couple of years, you'll only be seeing Indians everywhere, for which I laughed, and I sort of agreed कि okay, maybe he's right. कुछ साल बाद हम दिखेंगे सब जगह we are taking over सब जगह. Also, I just saw Geo Cinema is apparently, as I said, covering the events everywhere, and you can see that. And then I just saw on Instagram that the Ambani family were in France, and they were watching, and they were coming out. They were somewhere on the street with the bachas and everybody, and like I was like, okay, they are at the Olympics, they're watching the Olympics. I was like, okay, what is their interest in it, and how are they making money out of it? And I'm like, oh, okay, this is a good big business deal. If you have money, maybe you should start investing in Reliance now. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, also I wanted to share this. I think it would be dishonest of me, or like not fair. I am not doing well mentally, and I have officially pulled out big guns, and I've called in a therapist. It will take some time to find my footing back again, and I'll get there. We'll get there. I'm a happy kid. I'll get there. There are days where it's just very foggy, and there are days where it's good, all happy, chummy, glummy, good. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna stop this episode now. Actually, I wasn't even going to push this out there, but I feel like you deserve some form of explanation to hear the reality, the struggles. I'll take this week off and the next, so my next episode will be coming on the next Sunday, not this week ka Sunday, the next Sunday, August 11th at 11 a.m. And if you don't see an episode, that just simply means I needed more time, period. Like, or kuch bhi nahi. So check back again on Sunday. Until then, take care of mental health, take care of your physical health. I love you guys. Again, I want to tell you this again if you haven't heard this in a while, or maybe take it as a sign from the universe. Universe is telling you, I love 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 you. Give yourself a nice hug. Get some hot cocoa. That's it. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.